Groom-Ba. Hey, guys. Hey.
Hey, Mel.
Ready for the robotics team photo? What kind of haircut are you planning to get this year?
We need Mr. Yamada to come up with a really cool new hairdo to make this year's picture extra special. Like, glow-in-the-dark hair?
That would be great, except we won't be in the dark. Good point. What about a cool design in our hair? Maybe a lightning bolt?
Or nuts and bolts. We are all about building things, after all.
Hi, Ayana.
Hi, Mel.
Where's your uncle?
Bad news. He had to go out of town. Uncle Yamada's barber shop is closed.
No! What about our team photo? Who else can style this awesome hair?
Mr. Yamada's been cutting our hair since we were, well, babies.
It's why we're always so well groomed.
Don't worry, Moose. Mr. Yamada is a people groomer, not a dog groomer.
Aw, poor Moose really doesn't like baths and haircuts. But I love haircuts, and there's no way we'll get a great one if Mr. Yamada's out of town.
Who in Steamport can wash, cut, dry, and style the whole robotic team's hair in time for the photo?
Maybe.
How about...
Oh, yeah. Super slick.
Yes, let's do it.
Twinspiration!
Care to share?
We'll get the robotics team ready for the picture with the robot.
Let's build a machine that can style everyone's hair.
Yes, a hair grooming machine with multiple arms so it can do different jobs at once.
We can program it with great hairstyles. So when it sees the customer, the program will tell the robot the perfect hairstyle for them.
Any style you want?
As fast as you need.
A grooming robot.
A Groom-Ba.
Let's
Gear up and get it done.
Twinspiration's all we need. Let's gear up and get it done. Build brothers. Let's gear up and get it done. Build brothers. Let's gear up and get it done.
Ta-da! It's Groom-tastic.
The Groom-Ba is programmed with one mission. Focus on the hair in its view screen and get grooming.
Okay. Who wants to test it?
Me! Okay, Mel. Hope you're ready for the best hairstyle of your life.
Guaranteed extra special style. I just need to be close enough for a connection and Groom-Ba on.
Groom detected.
Well, it's definitely special, but not exactly what I imagined.
We may need a few adjustments to the Groom-Ba.
Groom detected.
Groom-Ba! No! Wait! Not Moose! Stop! Oh, no! I think the Groom-Ba found its next customer.
This is bad. We programmed the Groom-Ba to go to the customer, but we didn't program what to do if the customer ran away.
Groom-Ba won't stop until Moose does. Follow that dog!
In grooming machine.
Moose! Here, girl! Oops, missed! I'm getting dizzy!
Gotcha. Okay, don't gotcha. Look out!
Duck, Ayana!
Groom detected.
but no rinse? Sorry, guys. I missed Moose by a hair. Get it? By a hair?
We got it.
You can't lose your sense of humor, even in an emergency. Come on! We have to get closer before I can turn the Groom-Ba off.
They've got too big a head start.
It's time to ride.
Yeah!
Groom detected. Groom detected.
Huh?
Oh! The Groom-Ba is grooming everything that gets between it and Moose.
Groom detected.
Hi, Shawnee. Bye, Mr. Shawnee.
Where did they go?
Our Groom-Ba is making a mess all over town.
We need a new plan. We can't get close enough to turn off the Groom-Ba as long as it's chasing Moose.
You're right. We need to stop trying to catch Moose in the Groom-Ba.
What?
You do?
Instead, we need to get Moose to come to us. When she hears her favorite squeaky toy, she'll come running, and the Groom-Ba will be right behind her.
And when Moose brings the Groom-Ba to us, Ayana can turn it off.
If it doesn't groom you two first. Right. Here you go, big brother. Just give it a good squeeze and...
Oh, no, it was your great idea. It's only right that you do it.
Oh, no. I insist. Come on. One of you has to risk getting Groom-Ba.
Yeah, one of us has to step up and risk their hair for the good of Steamport. Squeak away, Drew.
The hairdos in the Robotics Team picture will be on the wall forever. You squeak.
You've always been a much better squeaker.
It worked. Here comes Moose and the Groom-Ba. Moose! Okay, Ayana. Is this close enough?
Twin groom detected.
I think it's too close.
Oh,
I got this.
Ayana, you stopped it.
no! Yeah, but, it might have been a little too late. What do you mean? Take a look.
Ah! My hair! My hair! Your hair! So, how bad is it?
The color choices are bold.
Blue goes with your eyes.
Moose? What do you think?
Well, I guess this year will be the colorful hair year.
Come on, everyone. Squeeze in for the Robotics Team picture. Okay, a little closer together. Now, this is what I call school spirit. Let's see those Steamport school smiles. Say, sea lion. Oof, oof, oof.
Sea lion! Arf, arf, arf!
Best team photo ever.
So great. It is awesome, but I think I'll keep this on.
Not me. I think I'll keep my hair like this. Or at least until Ayana's uncle gets back.
Leon, lookalike. Hi, Leon. Ready to try the crane arm extender, Jonathan?
I was born ready. Exactly 4 minutes before you were born. I was born the most ready.
Then you're ready for crane arm extension. Nice and easy. Hop on, Leon. Sweet. Oops.
Got it.
This arm extender's a little hard to control. Sorry, Jonathan. Sorry, Leon.
Is Leon okay, Carlos?
He's fine. Just looking for a snack. I'm going to go feed him. We'll be right back. Okay, let's try this again.
What was that? Huh? Leon?
Didn't you and Carlos just... Leon! Wait, Leon, it's just Moose.
What's up with Leon?
I don't know. Maybe he's looking for Carlos. Here, Leon.
Poor Leon. He really wants to get home.
Here, Leon. No, Leon! Ugh.
Hey, watch where I'm going.
Leon went upstairs.
Second floor coming up. There he is.
Here, boy. It's okay, Leon.
I got him.
Here, Leon. Here, boy. Here, Leon. Huh? Oh, no! He's going outside.
Headed back down toward the garage.
I'm right behind. Now I'm underneath you.
Sorry. Leon went back downstairs toward the garage door.
Maybe we should get Carlos. Leon will go to him.
Wait. Carlos said Leon was hungry. Maybe he wants to eat.
Snack dispenser! Some extra tasty bird seed.
This will make Leon come to us. I'll check outside. You check inside so we don't miss him.
There you are. Come on, Leon. Let's get some seeds. I'll take you back to Carlos.
Leon, here, boy. Whoa, there you are. Let's get you home to Carlos.
I got Leon!
Huh?
Drew, Jonathan! Have you seen my... Leon's...
What's going on? Those two look exactly alike.
And so do the birds. There are 2 Leons? But one of these birds must not be Leon. Which one? I know this is Leon. So this one must be a lost bird? Aw.
If it's lost, we need to help find its home.
Oh no! Hurry, get in the cruiser! After that bird!
We're catching up!
We're not catching up! Zuri! Zuri! Zuri, where are you? Zuri! You found Zuri! This
cockatiel. Oh, I'm looking for my lost pet cockatiel, Zuri. She looks exactly like Leon.
Oh, that was your pet? We're looking for her, too. I'm Jonathan. This is my brother Drew, Mel, Ayana, Carlos, and Leon.
Hi, I'm Cece.
We'll help you find Zuri, Cece.
Oh, thanks. I've been looking everywhere. But every time I spot her, she flies away. I just can't run as fast as Zuri can fly.
Wait a second. Are you thinking?
What I'm thinking you're thinking?
I think so. Oh, we just have to.
Exactly. And then we totally can
Twinspiration! Don't mind them. They speak twin.
Ayana, what if we add a video camera to a drone? A bird cam.
And fly it around the neighborhood?
Track down Zuri with a bird's eye view. Nice. Let's gear up and get it done.
Inspiration's all we need. Let's gear up and get it done. Build the brothers. Let's gear up and get it done. Build the brothers. Let's gear up and get it done.
Bird safety guards? Check. Drone sound level? Super quiet. Check. We are all systems go. This will help us find Zuri in no time. Let's look over here now. We've looked through the whole neighborhood. Where could she be?
Maybe Zuri's at the school?
Still no sign of her.
Don't worry, Cece. We'll find her.
Zuri! There she is!
Nice work, Ayana. Let's see where she's going.
She's going into that tree. Is that a nest? And an egg?
Look, Cece! Zuri has an egg! When it hatches, you two will have a brand new baby cockatiel!
Yay! I always wanted another birdie.
Let's go to the nest!
There it is.
That nest doesn't look very stable.
It's really wobbly. It could fall.
You can't let Zuri's nest fall.
We won't. But how can we make it safe without disturbing the egg?
It's time to try the crane arm extender.
Sweet.
Remember, nice and easy. It's okay, Zuri. We're here to help you.
I can't see the nest very well from down here. I don't want to scare her.
Ayana, can you hover the drone so we can see better?
You got it.
Perfect, Ayana. Now I can see where to lift the nest.
Now lift. Easy. Easy. How's that?
Looking good.
You did it! Zuri's nest is safe!
We all did it. Found a lost bird, rescued her baby, and made a new friend.
Yeah, nice! It looks like Leon made a new friend, too.
Aww. Now that's how you gear up and get it done.